Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to subscribe to YouTube Premium. So we can do this pretty simply through the YouTube application. So launching our YouTube app. And then from the homepage of the YouTube app, if you're not already logged in to the YouTube account that you would like to access YouTube Premium with, be sure to do that. But once you're logged in to your YouTube account, we're going to click on our little profile icon here in the bottom right-hand corner. Then from our account page, we can open up our settings by clicking on this little settings gear in the upper right-hand corner. And then from here in our settings page, we want to scroll down until we find where it says purchases and memberships and click on that. And then in the offers from YouTube area, you should find YouTube Premium. So we can click on where it says learn more. And then here it lists the features of YouTube Premium and how much it costs. And if you'd like to subscribe to YouTube Premium, you can click this button right here where it says get YouTube Premium. You can select the YouTube Premium plan that is right for you. I'm going to do the individual monthly plan, selecting that and then clicking confirm. And in Google Pay, you can select your payment method. And then if everything looks good, you can click start membership at the bottom. And if everything went through correctly, it'll say welcome to YouTube Premium and we can exit out of this. This will take us back to the homepage of our YouTube app, and you'll know that you're subscribed to YouTube Premium because here at the top, it'll show the YouTube Premium logo in this area. So I hope this video is helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how to subscribe to YouTube Premium through the YouTube application. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.